Hello viewers, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we are going to set up our professional Upwork account so that we can win bids by bidding on Upwork. So let's get started. So after you sign up, this page will appear after you sign up. So here are two options: upload your profile with LinkedIn and fill out manually. So we have switched to our second option, that is fill out manually. So here is what they have asked, what tell us about what you do. So here are multiple categories as we are going to set up our account for e-commerce specialist. So I have clicked on admin support, and here are the some types that they are asking for. What will you do? So I have selected here virtual assistance. Yes, it's my first option. And second is web research. Yes, this is my second option. Third is data entry, and fourth I have selected is other admin support. So what skills do you offer to your clients? So here for Amazon, eBay, Daraz and other e-commerce websites, the first primary skill required for freelancers or VA is product hunting. So I will write here product hunting. Sorry. So this is not available skill, so I will write hunting here, and this is yet not available, so I will write here product. And here are multiple things that occurred here: product design, development, it is formulation as product. So here is a product research, that is same as the product hunting. So I have put my first skill as product research. Second I am going to add here is product listing, and here is option product listing, and my third option will be PPC, pay per click campaigns. So here is PPC, campaign setup and management. And now my next skill must be the account management. So here is first of all this is account management. So next my skill will be the seller, Amazon seller central. So here I have listed my 5 skills. So what will be the next skill? This is product keyword research. So I have entered here keyword, and here it is SEO keyword research. And my next skill must be the description of products, and this, yes, here is product descriptions. So after that there comes product titles, and here I have clicked that, so I have clicked title. So I will move next for setting up my Upwork profile. So let's move next. And here next level 5, Upwork is asking what is level of expertise in this field: entry, intermediate or expert. Always remember, when you are going to sign up on Upwork for bidding, you are not an entry level person, you are always an intermediate level person when you sign up for Upwork. This is because whenever you are going to sign up on Upwork, you have to win projects, so that you have learned a lot before signing up on Upwork for getting projects. So you must select here that intermediate level seller. You must never select expert level seller when signing up for a new account on Upwork. So let's move next. Here they have asked about education. Whatever your education is, you have enough experience and working knowledge of e-commerce virtual assistant or e-commerce specialist. So you are always going to education about business related fields. School name, you can enter it here, and school name, let's I am entering here as in Pakistan most famous institution is a LUMS or LSE, so I better to put LUMS here. So here is Lahore University of Management Sciences. Is it here or not? So yes, here Lahore University, this is LUMS, so I have added here. Next, my area of study is business administration. So I will enter only here is business. Degree optional, you must choose your degree option here. Either you must add bachelor's or you must add master's. So I am going to enter here bachelor's. I have entered this Bachelor of Business Administration, that is BBA. Date attended. You must add your education date at least 2 years back from today. So I will enter here that my degree expectation is 2014 to 2018. So it will reflect that I had 2 years of experience in this field. Description, there is no need to enter primarily for description, so I will save it and move next. Yes, this is most important part, as your past work experience. You must add your past work experience whether you have or not. Even if you have gained enough skills for freelancing on Upwork, you must add your past somewhat experience here. So I am going to add employment, and company name is, let's say you have an provide XYZ company. Location, I will provide Islamabad, and title is e-commerce so here what will be my options is business development. So here for e-commerce websites, the best suited title for your job will be the business development manager. So I have clicked on here, and let's move. But no, so what's the period? You must enter the work experience of at least 2 years. So I have clicked here that I started in June 2018 and I am currently working here. So let's save it and move next. So here description is important. So you have just to write 1 or 2 lines of description. So I am going to write my primary job responsibilities include handling business development department. And next is, and next prime responsibility, as I already said I am going to set up my Upwork profile for e-commerce. So here my very next my key point and the job description will be the managing company's online store, that is e-store. So next option is launching and managing social media campaigns. And my next option is to manage seller central of all the e-commerce platforms. So here these are the enough. So let's see where the business, the company and store. Sorry, it is e-store. So let's move, save it and let's move next. So our next option is language. So let's move next. And here what is your English proficiency? You must add it as native or bilingual for best results, or if you add fluent it will also work. And even if you are not very much good at English, you must still add English as fluent or native or bilingual. So I am going to add English as bilingual language, and other language you can select any language. Just for example, I am going to add here Urdu as my second language, and here is Urdu. Proficiency will be fluent. So next language I am going to add is Hindi. Here is Hindi, and my proficiency level is fluent also. So let's move next for this. So here is Upwork asking for your hourly rate. You must add your hourly rate in a sensible manner for new buys on Upwork. Your maximum rate must be the $10, not more than the $10. So I have entered here that the minimum rate allowed for Upwork per hour is $3, and maximum is $999. Then that is one less than $1,000. So I am going to enter my hourly rate here as $10. That is too much for fresh account. So here Upwork fees, service fee 20%. So if I get an order about of an hour at the rate of $10 per hour, the net amount I will receive is $8 from Upwork. So let's move next. So here is title. What is my title for Upwork business category? So I have entered my title as virtual assistant. And first I will enter here is e-commerce virtual assistant. So here is this professional overview. This is the most important part of the profile. So in professional review, you have to mention your experiences, interests, skills. Whenever a client is coming to your profile and reviewing your bid, first of all he will go to your professional overview. So this must, also 5,000 characters are allowed, but it must be precise, accurate and to the point. So here first of all start from I am professional virtual e-commerce expert with 2 years of experience. So what come next? I have worked on e-commerce seller central along with launching PPC, along with launching and managing PPC campaigns and social media marketing. In addition, my expertise lies in product launching and product ranking. So here it is enough for this time. And e-commerce in addition. So we will move next after professional review, or you can, if you want to add some more you can add, but you can add to if you are going to write a huge professional overview, then you must note that you must complete your professional overview in the form of paragraphs, either 3 or maximum 4 lines. Maximum 4 lines will be included in a paragraph, and then you will move and switch towards the next paragraph. So as I have done very precise and to the point professional overview, so I have just written 3 lines, and let's move next. So next is the profile picture. You will add your profile picture here, but always remember that you have to add that profile picture here that must reflect your face clearly so that Fiverr can identify it. So you have to add your profile picture here, and I am skipping this step for the time for recording this tutorial for you. Whenever you're going to set up your Fiverr account, you must have to add your professional profile photo that clearly shows your face, and your face is easily identifiable by the client as well as Upwork. So I am skipping this step. You must add this here. You need to complete this step later to submit your profile. Okay, I've got it. Now here, where are you based? Here you have to enter your country, street address, city, zipper, postal code. So I have entered my street address as blue area, Islamabad. So I am just adding here my dummy address. You have to enter your actual address where you can receive your courier services easily, where courier services has easily approach, so that if Upwork send you any letter or any confirmation document, you must click that and have that very easily. You must have to enter your exact and actual street address here, so that there must be no issue while receiving any documentation or any mail from the Upwork or any other platform. So next is Islamabad city. I am going to, here is Islamabad. So here is Islamabad. And what is zip code for Islamabad? And that is, I will search here, postal code for Islamabad, and here is Islamabad postal code is 44000. So I am going to enter, here is 44000. I entered a postal code, and the next is your phone number. So so now you have to enter your phone number here, and your number will not be shared anyway. This is just to verify your profile. So let's enter your phone number and click on preview profile. So after entering your profile, when you click on submit profile, that your profile will appear like this. So here is this, and this skill, employment history, your education, and this. You as we have still not an option for submitting profile here the profile option is not available. So this is because of the reason as I have not entered any profile photo here. When you enter your profile photo here, this button will become active of submit profile, and you can submit your profile for approving your account from Upwork. If you got unsuccessful for about approving your profile from Upwork, I am going to add my next video lecture set how to approve your Upwork profile in just one click. That is refreshing your Chrome, and your profile will be approved. So let's stay tuned for the next video, and hope you will enjoy this video. If you have any comment or need any discussion or further queries about the video, you can comment on this video or send me a personal message on my Facebook page. I will respond to you.